Hello, I'm John Duncan with Upside Property by way of 𝐭𝐸. Are you a soldier, a veteran, or a retiree, and you're looking in this market to still buy a home, but you keep on getting outbidded and you're getting a little discouraged? Well, don't get too discouraged because you're in luck. Have you ever heard of the VA renovation loan? Let me tell you how awesome this is. Let's say we find you a house, but it needs a little love. The roof, paint on the walls, carpet on the floor, and it just needs new countertops or new cabinets. Well, let's go find you a house that needs a little love, and then we'll bid on it. Once we win the bid, what happens next is magical. We send in a certified licensed contractor. They come in there and they tell you what needs to be fixed, how much it's gonna cost. We get that over to the lender, and then the lender processes it, get an appraiser in there. Appraiser says, yes, this house will appraise at value based off the repairs that we make, and voila. You will have a house that you get to pick out your own cabinets, get to pick out your own countertops, get to pick out the paint on the walls, and now you're in a house that needed a little love, but it has your touch. Give me a call today, 803-319-6872. Once again, 803-319-6872. I'm John Duncan with Upside Property by way of 𝐭𝐸, and you can only go up from here. Peace.